Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Alice Eldermeyer Drive. We just came off Howard Cook Boulevard and we're on Alice Eldermeyer Drive. And on the right is the largest shopping center, or the largest mall if you want to call it that, in Jamaica. This is the Fairview Shopping Center and it is the largest mall not only in Jamaica but the entire Caribbean. We have numerous videos up taking a tour through the mall, so you can check those out. But we're staying on Alice Eldermeyer Drive and heading up to the Bogue Road, and we'll head out of, we're going to be driving out of Montego Bay today. And we're going to be heading towards Hanover. So we're actually turning right now, and the official name for this road is the AGS Coombs Road. But this is the Bogue area. On the right you have the Kia Motors. And on the left is the Bogue Industrial Estate, Tire Warehouse, ATL Automotive. Energy Save Location. Energy Save Low Solutions. And this is the Montego Bay Metro Company. So like something to do with the JUTC, because they have the buses over there. And then over here now on the left is the Bogue City Center. So you can see all the business places over there. And on the left you have the Audi dealership, the Porsche dealership, BMW dealership. Okay, over there actually looks, they have a lot of shops over there as well. We need to take a tour and make a video of over there as soon as possible. Alright, so there it says Lucy 32 kilometers, Negril 72 kilometers. Then on the left now, that is Bogue Heights. Alright, so we go straight, we go to Hopewell, Sandy Bay, turn left, we go to Anchovy, Mount Pelio. And if you go left, it also takes you back to Savlamar. This is a very popular route when going between Montego Bay and Savlamar. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.